Hey friends! Today we're diving into the essential world of road safety by reviewing the most advanced, reliable dash cameras available. In this video, we're taking a look at the best dash cams in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Teransui 4K dash cam front and rear. This sophisticated 3-channel system offers a massive shield of security by simultaneously recording the road ahead in 4K, the vehicle's interior, and the traffic behind in 1080p. Utilizing a high-end Starlight night vision system and an f1.6 large aperture, it effortlessly pulls detail out of the shadows, ensuring license plates are legible even on poorly lit highways. The inclusion of a 128GB memory card right in the box means you are ready to record from day one without additional purchases. Beyond just video, the integrated GPS module meticulously logs your speed and coordinates, providing an undeniable digital paper trail if an incident occurs. With 360-degree coverage provided by the wide-angle lenses, this is the ultimate tool for rideshare professionals or families who prioritize total cabin and exterior surveillance. Its dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity ensures that when you need to download a clip to your phone, the process is incredibly fast and intuitive. Next up, our second product, the Viofo dash cam front and rear. This model, specifically the A229 Plus, sets a new industry standard by incorporating dual Sony STARVIS 2 sensors for both the front and rear perspectives. This hardware choice results in a superior dynamic range that prevents blowout from bright headlights while maintaining incredible sharpness in the dark. Recording at 2K resolution on both ends, it captures fluid motion at 60 frames per second, which is crucial for identifying fast-moving vehicles during highway commutes. The voice control interface allows you to lock specific video files or toggle recording without ever removing your hands from the steering wheel. We were particularly impressed by the quad-mode GPS, which offers unmatched accuracy in location tracking. To top it off, the upgraded 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes accessing your footage via the Viofo app a seamless experience. It's a professional-grade solution for those who refuse to compromise on video clarity or technical reliability during their daily travels. Coming in at number 3, the Pruveeo channel dash cam front and rear. If you are looking for total environmental awareness, this 4-camera setup is designed to record 360 degrees around your vehicle. By capturing the front, rear, and both side views simultaneously in full HD, it leaves no blind spots for vandals or reckless drivers to hide in. The unit features an innovative battery-free design using supercapacitors, which significantly improves durability in extreme summer heat or freezing winter temperatures. Nighttime security is bolstered by infrared LEDs that illuminate the cabin, making it an excellent choice for night shift workers or taxi drivers. The adjustable lens system allows you to fine-tune your viewing angles to match the specific geometry of your car's windows. With its built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, managing your journey logs and sharing important clips is straightforward. This system provides a comprehensive, black box experience that offers peace of mind through complete visual documentation of every single mile you drive. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the PelsiTouch 4K dash cam front and rear. This device stands out with its vibrant 3.39-inch IPS touchscreen, which offers an incredibly responsive interface for reviewing footage right in the car. The front camera delivers true 4K HDR video, which balances exposure perfectly when driving through tunnels or against direct sunlight. Safety is at the forefront here, as the built-in ADAS system provides real-time alerts for lane departures and potential forward collisions, acting like a second pair of eyes on the road. The STARVIS 2 sensor ensures that even in pitch-black conditions, the recording remains colorful and detailed rather than grainy. For those worried about their vehicle while away, the 24/7 parking monitor and G-sensor work together to wake the camera up the moment an impact is detected. With the addition of voice commands and a generous 128GB card, this dash cam balances high-end technology with user-friendly operation for a truly premium driving experience. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the cool crazy 4K dash cam front and rear. This powerhouse is engineered for the driver who wants high-speed precision, offering 4K UHD recording at 60 frames per second to ensure every detail is captured with cinematic smoothness. Its ultra-wide 170-degree field of view minimizes distortion while covering multiple lanes of traffic, while the rear camera maintains a vigilant watch behind you. Thanks to WDR technology and a high-performance night vision sensor, it handles the glare of urban neon lights and the darkness of rural roads with equal ease. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity allows for nearly instant file transfers, so you can share clips to social media or insurance agents in seconds. It also features a robust 24-hour parking mode that uses time-lapse recording to save space while providing continuous security. Built with automotive-grade components, this dash cam is designed to withstand the rigors of long-distance travel and daily wear, making it a dependable partner for any journey. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.